You recently got married to a U.S. citizen spouse. You are ready to file a green card application with I-765 application for employment authorization. You heard of the new policy update by USCIS and new form requirement, but you're not unsure of how they will affect your case. Hi, I'm Jae Francis Lee. I'm immigration attorney in Chicago, Schaumburg, Illinois, and Madison, Wisconsin. Our office provides family-based immigration law services nationwide. I'm also a college professor and first-generation immigrant. Today, I'm going to explain how the new policy update by USCIS and new 765 form will affect your case. Let's start with a brief review of why you need EAD. You need a valid employment authorization to work legally in the United States. Employment authorization document or work permit is one of them, which allows you to work legally while your applications or petitions are pending with the USCIS. For instance, when you submit a marriage-based green card application, you may submit I-765 application to obtain employment authorization document. Before July 15, 2020, USCIS granting EAD was a matter of USCIS verifying applicants' eligibility. USCIS reviews whether your 765 application properly selected a proper category of eligibility. For instance, if you submit I-765 application with your DACA renewal request, you need to select C33. Then you need to submit a signed complete application, correct filing fees including the biometric service fee, government-issued identification document, and 2 passport-style pictures to meet the requirement. USCIS did not consider other factors when reviewing and approving I-765 applications. Typically, it took 5 to 6 months for USCIS to review the application and approve it. So what's the deal with the EAD now? On July 15, USCIS released a policy alert that updated USCIS policy manual, which drastically changed how USCIS reviews and adjudicates I-765 applications and other USCIS processes. This new policy will now apply to new 765 application submitted after July 15 and probably to all pending applications. Under the new policy, in addition to verifying the applicant's identity and eligibility for employment authorization, USCIS will determine if a favorable exercise of discretion is warranted in granting it. Now, all employment authorization applications will be subject to discretionary review by the USCIS on a case-by-case. USCIS will now look at the totality of your records, weighing positive factors against any negative factors. USCIS will consider more than 20 factors such as applicants' immigration, employment, tax and criminal history, family ties in the U.S., and evidence regarding respect to law and order and good character. If the positive factors that you bring to U.S. outweighs the negatives, you'll be granted EAD. If not, you'll be denied. This process can be very lengthy as USCIS will look at very carefully at your record, which means that your EAD could be delayed for months. You need to submit new I-765 application form on or after August 25th, 2020. Unless you submit August 25th, 2020 edition, your application will be rejected by USCIS. The new form is largely identical to previous edition, but additional questions are asked for those applicants with a pending asylum application. Meanwhile, On or after October 2nd, you need to pay a separate I-765 application fee, even if it is filed together with I-45 application. The separate I-765 application fee is $550. Keep in mind that I-765 application fee for DACA renewal and pending asylum applicants is $495. Hi, I'm Attorney Jae Francis, Francis Law Center. Stay tuned for additional videos. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.